Trees are interpreted as a display of God's sovereignty, wisdom, and provision for life on earth. This is why God created both the forest and the bees to fulfill specific roles within a very good and harmonious creation. Our task is to preserve and protect it. Welcome to Envision, where we learn techniques and ideas on how we keep bees safe from predators and get double returns from them. Today we are in Buyaga, Uganda. We are ferrying the materials to the site for our first apiary in Uganda. In Africa, beekeeping has challenges in most parts where bees are being targeted by predators. This will make bees to abscond and also discourage the farmers in beekeeping. Some colonies find it safe to colonize inside our houses and wardrobes for their safety, which also is dangerous to human beings. Welcome as we learn how we can construct the best and affordable houses for the bees. At the end of this video, we will know the number of hives this apiary will carry. The specialists are analyzing how to make the water trench around the apiary. From our previous episode, we have explained deep, and we have seen the importance of the water trench around the apiary. This is our previous apiary in Kenya, where the trench is serving as the barrier for insects, fish pond, and water for bees. If it's your first time here, please consider to subscribe and watch our podcast tutorials about beekeeping. As you can see, this apiary will have the upper floor with 2 levels of where the hives will be placed. The design and the size of the apiary is determined by the features of the area we see during site survey. This apiary we have used the 3x4 as our poles. This is because we found some round poles have been treated with waste oil, which may act as a repellent to the bees. And the interior section, we have applied the principles of design. These principles help us to identify functionality, balance, and aesthetically pleasing environment. Please don't forget to subscribe and share to your able friends. Each of these apiaries has an independent water trench to prevent rodents from entering into the apiary. Due to the rains in this area, we have constructed a tank stand to collect rainwater to maintain the flowers around and supply water to the trench. If you need the apiary design, please contact us on the number provided in the description. Once your trench is full of water, this water serves 3 main functions around the apiary. Main functions of water trench: 1. Act as a barrier for crouching insects like ants and rodents. 2. It is a source of water for our bees in the apiary. 3. In some cases, we put fish for home use. When you want to clean your trench and put clean water, we have created an exit for your dirty water. Round every apiary, you must embrace bee-friendly plants. Bee-friendly plants support vital pollinators, which are essential for producing 1/3 of our food supply and maintaining biodiversity. Bottlebrush callistemon plants are exceptional magnets for bees, particularly honeybees, due to their abundant nectar and pollen-rich brush-like flowers that bloom in spring and summer. In the world, there are so many plants and flowers basically for bees. We will always talk about these plants in every episode. This is the first slot of 100 hives to install to start attracting bees. Every hive is having a single super box and one brooder box. Our design can be customized depending on the number of super boxes you need in every hive. But this apiary is allowed to carry 2 super boxes in every hive. If you need this design plan, please reach us on the number in the description. Thousands of wild bees are hanging on tree waiting us to finish hive installation. To attract them, we have put wax and lemongrass oil in every hive. You can watch our previous episodes on how to attract the colony. Some hives have received bees even before they are installed into their specific spaces inside the apiary.
The hives have just colonized right now. We have just come to the hives today. These are the drones.
And on the other side, where we have put a hive on a raised 5 feet, it has received bees. And inside the apiary, the hives are not spared, because this is the swarming season. There are several reasons why your hive don't receive bees for even 2 years. Or you had bees, but they absconded. We will explain the reasons in our next episode, and you will get the bees in less than 3 days. Strong winds in a particular region may interfere with the flight of bees. It's advisable to plant trees around your apiary to act as a windbreakers to your apiary. When you break strong winds, no splashing rains will reach the hives. Or you can create a beautiful garden of fruits and vegetables to add value for your space and act as a source of nectar for your bees. We really appreciate our clients whom trusted us, and we constructed the apiaries for them. And we wish them good luck as we manage the existing apiaries for good returns. In our next episode, we will bring you some latest ideas on apiary construction. Thanks, may God bless you all.